Find dy by dx if x equal to a cos theta and y equal to a sin theta. So in yesterday's class I discussed about the parametric functions. So that is parametric functions. Derivative of parametric function is given by dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx upon d theta. So if given parametric equations are having the parameter theta, then dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. That means, so we have to differentiate the parametric equations separately with respect to the common parameter, that is theta here. So here also, here x equal to a cos theta, y equal to a sin theta, and common parameter in x and y is theta. Therefore we have to differentiate x and y with respect to theta and then substitute the derivatives of dx by d theta, dy by d theta in this equation. So here x equal to a cos theta, y equal to a sin theta. Common parameter is theta. Therefore we have to differentiate x and y with respect to common parameter theta. Therefore differentiating x and y with respect to theta. Therefore dx upon d theta equal to a d by dx of cos theta. This equal to a d by d theta of cos theta with respect to theta. So therefore derivative of cos with respect to theta is minus sin theta. This equal to minus a sin theta. Similarly differentiate y with respect to theta. dy by d theta equal to a d by d theta of sin theta. This equal to a derivative of with respect to theta of sin theta is cos theta. Now dy by dx equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. This equal to dy by d theta is a cos theta, dx upon d theta is minus a sin theta. So a get cancels, cos by sin is cot theta and here it is a minus, therefore minus cot theta. Now consider the problem, that is find dy by dx if x equal to 2at square and y equal to 8 e raised to 4. So here also to find the derivative of these two parametric equations, so there is common parameter is t. So that is 2at square, 84th common parameter is t. Therefore we have to differentiate x and y with respect to the common parameter t. So therefore x equal to 2at square, y equal to at4. Common parameter is t here. Therefore differentiate with respect to t. Observe this, common parameter with respect to common parameter. Therefore dx upon dt equal to d by dt of 2a t square. 2a is constant. 2a d by dt of t square. So though this step is not necessary. So with respect to t, dy dx of x square, dy dt of t square, dy d theta of theta square, like that. So dy dx of x square, dy dt of t square means it is equal to 2a into derivative of t square is 2t. This equal to 4at. Similarly, y equal to at fourth. So now dy upon dt, this equal to dy dt of a t fourth. A is constant here, so therefore dy dt of, so that is a dy dt of t fourth, dy dx of x raised to n, so like that. A, this is 4t cube. So therefore 4at cube dy by dt. Now dy by dx equal to dy by dt, this divided by dx upon dt. dy by dt is 4at cube, dx by dt is 4at. Substitute in this equation 4at cube divided by 4at, this equal to 4 and a, 4a get cancelled, 1t also get cancelled, so therefore this becomes t square. Now consider this problem. Find dy by dx if x equal to a cos theta, y equal to b cos theta. Therefore common parameter is theta here, so therefore we have to differentiate x and y with respect to theta. So x equal to a cos theta, y equal to b cos theta. Therefore differentiate with respect to theta because common parameter is theta. Therefore dx upon d theta, d by d theta of cos theta, this equal to cos theta, a cos theta it is. So therefore a derivative of cos is minus sin theta. Similarly dy upon d theta, d by d theta of b cos theta. So this b is constant here. B derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Now dy upon dx equal to dy by d theta dx upon d theta, this equal to dy by d theta is minus b sin theta, dx upon d theta is minus a sin theta. So sin theta get cancels, minus also get cancels here, this equal to b upon a. So consider the problem. Find dy by dx if x equal to sin t and y equal to cos 2t. So in this parametric equations x and y, common parameter is t. So therefore we have to differentiate x and y with respect to t. Therefore x equal to sin t, y equal to cos 2t. Common parameter is t. Therefore differentiate with respect to t. Therefore dx upon dt, dy dt of sine t. So naturally, so the simple case, derivative of sine is cos, with respect to t is cos t. Similarly here, dy upon dt, dy dt of cos 2t. Observe here, cos 2t is a composite, so 2t is there, so therefore derivative of composite cos 2x, like that cos fx. So in that sense, derivative of cos is minus sine 2t. Derivative of cos fx is sine fx. Then dy dt of 2t, this equal to minus sine 2t, this into 2t, 2x, derivative of 2x with respect to x is 2. In that sense, so 2t is this equal to 2. Therefore, minus 2 sine 2t. So, dx by dt is cos t, dy by dt is minus 2 sine 2t. Now, we have to substitute these two derivatives in dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Now, dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So, dy by dt is minus 2 sine 2t. Dx by dt is cos t. So observe here. So a little bit simplification is there. We know the formula, sine 2t minus 2 sine 2t is 2 sine t cos t. This divided by cos t. So cos get cancels here. Therefore minus 4 sine t.